Creating a tiered loyalty program. A tiered loyalty program will retain customers by gamifying the shopping experience, encouraging customers to progress to higher and higher levels, unlocking more benefits and bonuses. How to retain customers in retail using tiers. Tiered loyalty programs are a great way to drive program engagement. By hinting at bonuses and rewards at the next level, you give members a sense of motivation to keep climbing. With 74% of customers saying their loyalty is motivated by working towards a goal or reward, a tiered loyalty program will help you retain your customers too. Firstly, decide how many tiers your loyalty program will have. We recommend at least 2, but no more than 4 or your program might become too complicated to manage. Each tier should offer exclusive rewards that aren't available at other levels. You can also create hidden tiers customers aren't aware of. Then, when they perform a behaviour that makes them eligible for that tier, you can surprise them with an unexpected bonus or gift. Customizing your loyalty program tiers. To make the most of your tiered loyalty program, make sure your tiers are customized to match your brand identity. Make the names